Hello and welcome. It's PJ on the mic. In this field, about guitar, there's a question I get all the time. How can I improve my playing skills? So the more we share, guys, the more we improve ourselves. Remember, this chapter has 10 lessons to make us play better. So in order for us to effortlessly play across the fretboard, first, you know, taziwa manoti ese pa fretboard.